Sculptra is a treatment that can help by working across all 3 layers of your skin. The first proven regenerative biostimulator in the current market. It can stimulate your own collagen and elastin production with a unique plant-based biocompatible PLLA. It can restore your skin structure starting within just 1 month of treatment. It can regenerate your skin for natural-looking results that last more than 2 years. It builds production of new collagen and lasting. We have a rule of 5 when we are injecting a Sculptra, and this is going to be your homework at home to do. So for 5 times a day, for 5 minutes, and for 5 days, you need to provide a massage to the injected area, basically full face, to make sure that there is not going to be any nodule or granula forming, and your beautiful face stay even with no problem. Thank you to follow us.